Stop asking ChatGPT to write my resume. I just spent 40 hours testing 50 of the most viral resume prompts. And to be honest, 45 of them were a total disaster. Some resulted in generic resume summaries that sounded like every other applicant. Others stuffed resumes with keywords so obvious that recruiters knew instantly it was AI generated. And a few even made high-level candidates look less qualified. But 5 specific prompts consistently outperformed everything else. And one of them even improved resume bullet points so dramatically that recruiters in my network thought the candidate had hired a professional resume writer. And another prompt has nothing to do with resume writing at all, but it might be the most powerful one in this entire video. Hey, if we've never met before, I'm Professor Heather Austin. I help professionals use AI and modern job search strategies to land better opportunities faster. And today I'm ranking the top 5 AI prompts that actually work for writing a killer resume, and I'm giving you the exact text for all of them. Plus, to make this even easier, I've put the winners into my free ATS resume pack that you can grab using the link below. Let's kick things off with prompt number 1, and I'm calling this one the magnetic first impression. Now, out of all the 50 prompts I tested, this one finished number 3 overall in my testing and scored a perfect 10 out of 10 with the recruiters I shared it with. This one made it to the top 5 because it completely transformed the most overlooked section of the resume, the professional summary. Now, before I show you the exact prompt, here's one of the prompts that failed miserably. Write me a professional resume summary for the XYZ position. Now, this sounds like it would get you somewhere, right? The problem is every output sounded exactly the same. Results-driven professional with a proven track record of success, dynamic leader with excellent communication skills, or even dedicated team player passionate about driving results. Recruiters see this all day long, and it says absolutely nothing about you. That's why this prompt performed so much better. I'm applying for the XYZ position at company ABC. Here's my current resume, and here is my job description. Act as a professional resume writer and create a clear header with the exact target job title from the description. Underneath, list 3 key skills that are most critical to this specific role based on the job description. Finally, write a confident, natural 3-sentence professional resume summary. Sentence 1 should highlight my years of experience and top-level identity. Sentence 2 must feature my biggest relevant achievement using data. Sentence 3 should explain the unique value I bring to this specific team. Avoid corporate cliches and keep the tone human and direct. This prompt forces AI to answer 3 critical questions. Who are you? What proof do you have? And why should this employer care? The result is a summary that immediately positions you as a candidate worth interviewing. Now, before implementing this first prompt, your summary might have looked like a generic paragraph of text that no one actually reads. After this prompt, the top of your resume will look like this. And remember, recruiters spend about 6 seconds on an initial review. So this format helps them find what they're looking for instantly. Let's move on to prompt number 2. Now, this next one surprised me because it improved ATS performance without touching a single bullet point. This is what I call the keyword magnet, and it exposes one of the biggest myths in resume writing. Most job seekers believe ATS systems want more keywords. However, this isn't always true. ATS systems want the right keywords. This one scored a perfect 10 out of 10 for ATS optimization and had an overall ranking of number 4. So why did it make it to the top 5? It consistently helped resumes better align with the target role. Now, before I share the exact prompt, let me show you another losing prompt. Add more keywords to my resume. The result of this one was keyword stuffing, things like project management, leadership, communication, strategic planning, problem solving. The resume becomes a giant word cloud, and recruiters hate that. Instead, this winning prompt tells AI to think like a recruiter. Using the job description I provided earlier, identify the top 9 to 12 most critical hard and soft skills required for this role. Present these skills in a core competency section using a clean, modern layout where each skill is separated by a vertical pipe. Group related skills together to create a logical flow. Ensure these skills are verbatim from the job description where possible to maximize ATS optimization, but only include them if they are supported by my resume experience. The difference is subtle but super powerful. Instead of dumping every possible skill onto your resume, it identifies the skills that matter most for this role. The result is a core competency section that feels intentional and targeted. Notice how the skills flow together logically. That's exactly what recruiters and ATS systems want to see. So up to this point, we've optimized the top part of your resume, but the next prompt was the biggest transformation I saw during the entire experience, because it turned boring job duties into measurable business results. And I'm calling prompt number 3 the bullet point booster. And if I had to choose only one prompt from this entire video, this would probably be it. Prompt number 3 earned the highest recruiter score of all 50 prompts I tested and gained the overall #1 ranking. Now, before I show you the winner, here's a losing prompt. Rewrite my resume bullet points to sound more impressive. The outputs to this prompt looked polished, but not believable. Remember, AI loves adding fluffy language. Recruiters don't. That's why I tested a much more structured approach. Act as an expert career coach. I will provide a bullet point from my current resume and the job description for the role I want. Rewrite this bullet point using the action context result framework. Use a strong action verb, include a real number or percentage for impact, and use the top keywords from the job description. Keep it to one concise sentence and do not use cliches like passionate or team player. This forces AI to follow the action context result framework. So before this prompt, you might have something like responsible for managing a team and hitting sales targets. This is super boring and tells me nothing. But after the prompt, that same bullet point becomes directed a cross-functional team of 10 to exceed annual sales targets by 15% using CRM data to find new market opportunities. So do you see the difference? One is a list of duties and the other is a list of results. Now, if you're finding these prompts useful, I've packed all of them into a free AI resume prompt pack along with my ATS-friendly resume template and example. You can grab that using the link below. Now let's continue because prompt number 4 is one almost nobody talks about. This one is what I'm calling the technical tailor. This prompt shocked me during testing, not because it improved ATS performance, but because it changed how recruiters perceive expertise. I give this one an overall ranking of 5, but it had the most surprising results because it transformed generalists into specialists. Most people create a technical skills section that looks like Excel, Sheets, Salesforce, SQL, Asana, Monday, blah, 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 blah. This is just a random list with no organization, no context, and no strategy. The winning prompt fixes that. Create a technical skills section for the bottom of my resume. Based on the job description, identify the most relevant technical skills, tools, software, and areas of expertise for this role. Then organize them into 5 to 6 clear categories. Under each category, list the most relevant skills and tools. Put the categories that matter most to the job at the top. Now, instead of listing tools randomly, AI groups them into meaningful categories. Recruiters can instantly see where your expertise live. That's a completely different experience than reading a partial list of software, which brings us to the final prompt. And this one wasn't even designed to improve your resume, but it may be the most valuable prompt in this entire video. I'm calling the 5th and final prompt the Interview Insider. Now, this one earned the number 2 spot in my testing, not because it helps you write a better resume, but because it helps you turn that resume into an actual job offer. Most job seekers think they're done after optimizing the resume, but this is when the real work begins. This prompt helps you anticipate tough interview questions, identify your strongest selling points, and walk into the interview with a clear strategy. Act as a hiring manager for this position. Review my newly optimized resume and the job description. Based on these 2 documents, identify the 3 most impressive success stories on my resume and make me a top candidate. Then, write 3 challenging interview questions that specifically target the gaps or transitions in my background. For each question, give me a brief winning strategy on how I should answer using the specific data points we just added to my resume. Now, what I love about this prompt is that it identifies both strengths and vulnerabilities. It shows you things like the success stories recruiters are likely to focus on, or the gaps they may question, or the career pivots they'll want explained, and exactly how to answer those questions confidently. So instead of walking into an interview hoping for the best, you're walking in with a game plan. And that's why this prompt made my top 5. Because the goal isn't just to create a better resume. The goal is to turn the resume into a job offer. Now remember, I tested 50 prompts so you wouldn't have to. Most of them generated resumes that sounded exactly like everyone else, but these 5 prompts were different because they forced AI to highlight what actually makes you valuable. If you use them correctly, you'll not just create a better resume, you're creating a stronger career story. And if you want my complete AI resume prompt pack with all 5 prompts, the resume template and example, and an ATS checklist, grab it for free using the link below. And if your LinkedIn profile isn't generating recruiter attention yet, watch this video next because that's where most job seekers are losing opportunities right now. And as always, remember to tap that like button if you enjoyed this episode, and don't forget to subscribe for even more career strategy like this. And I'll see you in the next one.